In the evolving landscape of finance, where traditional boundaries are constantly being redefined, cryptocurrency has emerged as a transformative force, revolutionizing the way we think about money and investments. Captivating investors and enthusiasts alike, and creating a dynamic ecosystem of digital assets. Binance, a global cryptocurrency exchange, stands as a prominent player in this exciting realm, offering a comprehensive platform for all your crypto needs. Founded in 2017, Binance has rapidly ascended to become one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges by trading volume, thanks to its innovative approach and user-centric philosophy. Its user-friendly interface, robust security measures, and diverse range of features make it an ideal platform for both novice and seasoned traders, ensuring a seamless trading experience. Whether you're just beginning your cryptocurrency journey or seeking to expand your trading horizons, this comprehensive guide will provide you with the knowledge and tools to navigate the world of Binance with confidence, helping you make informed decisions. Binance offers a secure and regulated platform for buying, selling, and trading a wide array of cryptocurrencies, ensuring that your transactions are safe and reliable. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins, Binance provides access to a vast selection of digital assets, empowering users to diversify their portfolios and explore new investment opportunities. Beyond basic trading, Binance offers a suite of advanced features, including margin trading, futures trading, and staking, catering to the needs of experienced traders who seek to maximize their returns. Moreover, Binance's commitment to innovation is evident in its continuous development of new products and services, such as Binance Earn, which allows users to earn passive income on their cryptocurrency holdings, making your assets work for you. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, it's crucial to have a reliable and trustworthy exchange by your side, one that adapts to the changing landscape and meets your needs. Binance's unwavering commitment to security, transparency, and user experience has solidified its position as a leader in the industry, providing peace of mind to its users. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into the intricacies of using Binance, equipping you with the knowledge and skills to embark on your cryptocurrency trading journey and helping you understand the full potential of this powerful platform. Whether you're looking to invest in established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or explore the potential of emerging altcoins, Binance provides a gateway to the limitless possibilities of the cryptocurrency market, offering a diverse range of options to suit your investment strategy. With its intuitive interface, robust security measures, and diverse range of features, Binance empowers individuals worldwide to participate in the future of finance, making cryptocurrency accessible to everyone everywhere. Embarking on your Binance journey begins with creating a secure and verified account. This is the first and most crucial step to ensure that your experience on the platform is both safe and efficient. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring a smooth and seamless experience. By following these instructions carefully, you can avoid common pitfalls and set up your account with confidence. To begin, navigate to the official Binance website using your preferred web browser. This is where your journey starts, and it's important to get it right from the very beginning. It's crucial to verify that you are on the legitimate Binance website to avoid phishing scams. Cybersecurity is paramount, and ensuring you're on the correct site is the first line of defense. Look for the secure lock icon in the address bar, and ensure the URL begins with https:// for added security. This indicates that the site is secure and your data will be encrypted. On the Binance homepage, locate and click on the Register or Get Started button, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. This will initiate the registration process. This will direct you to the account registration page. Here you will begin entering your personal information to create your account. Binance offers two convenient registration methods: email or mobile number. Choose the one that is most accessible and convenient for you. Choose your preferred method and provide the requested information. Make sure the information you provide is accurate to avoid any issues later on. If registering with an email address, enter a valid email address that you have access to. This email will be used for important communications and account recovery. If using a mobile number, select your country code and enter your phone number. This number will be used for two-factor authentication and other security measures. Next, you'll need to create a strong and unique password for your Binance account. This is a critical step in protecting your account from unauthorized access. A strong password should be at least 8 characters long and include a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. This complexity makes it harder for hackers to guess your password. Avoid using easily guessable information such as your birth date or pet's name. These are often the first things hackers will try. Before proceeding, carefully review Binance's terms of service and privacy policy. Understanding these documents is essential as they outline your rights and responsibilities as a user. These documents outline the terms and conditions of using the platform, including information about fees, security measures, and user responsibilities. Make sure you understand them fully before agreeing. Once you have read and understood the terms, check the box to indicate your agreement. This is a mandatory step to proceed with the registration. To enhance the security of your account, Binance requires users to complete a security verification process. This step helps to ensure that you are a real person and not a bot. This typically involves solving a simple puzzle, such as sliding a piece to complete an image or selecting images that match a given description. These puzzles are designed to be easy for humans but difficult for automated systems. After successfully completing the security verification, you'll receive a verification code via email or SMS depending on your chosen registration method. This code is an additional layer of security to confirm your identity. Enter the code in the provided field to verify your email address or mobile number. This step is crucial to activate your account. Congratulations, you have now successfully created your Binance account and are one step closer to embarking on your cryptocurrency trading journey. This is a significant milestone and you should be proud of taking this step. However, before you start trading, it's essential to take the necessary steps to secure your account and protect your investments. Security should always be a top priority. In the next section, we'll explore the crucial security measures you should implement to safeguard your Binance account. These measures will help ensure that your assets remain safe and secure. In the world of cryptocurrency, security is paramount. With the increasing value and popularity of digital assets, the need to protect your investments from potential threats has never been more critical. Binance prioritizes the safety of its users' assets. The platform employs advanced security protocols to ensure that your funds and personal information remain secure at all times, and offers robust security measures to protect your account from unauthorized access. These measures are designed to provide multiple layers of protection, making it difficult for malicious actors to compromise your account. This section will guide you through the essential steps to fortify your Binance account and safeguard your investments. By following these steps, you can enhance your account's security and enjoy peace of mind while trading. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring two forms of verification before granting access. This means that even if someone obtains your password, they would still need the second form of verification to access your account. Binance supports both Google Authenticator and SMS authentication. While both methods provide additional security, Google Authenticator is generally considered more secure due to its offline nature. It's highly recommended to enable 2FA using Google Authenticator for enhanced security. This app generates time-based codes that are unique to your device, making it harder for attackers to gain access. To enable Google Authenticator, download and install the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. This app is available for both iOS and Android devices and is free to use. Log into your Binance account and navigate to the security settings. This is where you can manage all aspects of your account's security, including enabling 2FA. Locate the Google Authenticator option and click on Enable. This will initiate the setup process, guiding you through the necessary steps to link your account with the app. Open the Google Authenticator app on your phone and scan the QR code displayed on the Binance website. This QR code contains the information needed to link your account with the app. The app will generate a 6-digit verification code that changes every 30 seconds. This code is required each time you log into your account, providing an additional layer of security. Enter the code on the Binance website to complete the setup process. Once completed, your account will be significantly more secure, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Phishing scams are a persistent threat in the cryptocurrency space. These scams often involve fraudulent emails or messages designed to trick you into revealing your login credentials. Scammers may send fraudulent emails or messages impersonating Binance in an attempt to steal your login credentials. These messages can look very convincing, so it's important to be vigilant. Binance offers an anti-phishing code feature to help you identify legitimate communications. This code will be included in all official emails from Binance, allowing you to verify their authenticity. To set up an anti-phishing code, log into your Binance account and navigate to the security settings. This feature is easy to set up and provides an additional layer of protection against phishing attacks. Locate the anti-phishing code option. This is where you can create and manage your unique code. Create a unique and memorable code that will be included in all legitimate emails from Binance. This code should be something that only you know and can easily recognize. Save your anti-phishing code in a safe place. This ensures that you can always verify the authenticity of emails from Binance. Binance allows you to whitelist specific withdrawal addresses, adding an extra layer of security to your withdrawals. This feature ensures that funds can only be withdrawn to addresses you have pre-approved. When enabled, withdrawals can only be made to the whitelisted addresses, preventing unauthorized withdrawals to unknown addresses. This is particularly useful for protecting your funds from potential hackers. To enable withdrawal address whitelisting, log into your Binance account and navigate to the security settings. This feature is part of the comprehensive security options available to you. Locate the withdrawal address whitelisting option. This is where you can manage the addresses that are authorized to receive withdrawals from your account. Add the cryptocurrency addresses you wish to whitelist for withdrawals. Enable the whitelisting feature to ensure that only these addresses can receive funds from your account. By implementing these security measures, you significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access to your Binance account and protect your valuable cryptocurrency assets. These steps are essential for maintaining the security and integrity of your investments. Remember to keep your login credentials, 2FA codes, and anti-phishing codes safe and secure. Regularly update your passwords and be cautious of any suspicious activity. In the next section, we'll explore the verification process on Binance, which unlocks higher deposit and withdrawal limits, expanding your trading capabilities. Verification is a crucial step in ensuring the security and functionality of your account.